Welcome to the Introduction to EndNote 20 video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import citations from PubMed into EndNote 20. So first I'm going to go to the PubMed database. I'm just going to go directly by typing in pubmed.gov. And from here you can just run your search as you typically would in PubMed. Now, there are a couple of different ways to get citations out of PubMed. One method is on your results page. You can just click to checkmark the citations you would like to export. And then you can click this handy Send To button towards the top of the page. From there, you can click Citation Manager. And from here, you can adjust your selection if you'd like. So you can either keep the two results you had just selected, you can select all results on the page you're currently looking at, or you could do all results retrieved by your search, which I don't recommend doing for over 3 million results. All right, so we're just going to keep our current selection of 2. From there, you can just click Create File, and that should automatically download an NBIB file into your Downloads folder. All this is a citation file that EndNote is able to read. In other databases, you'll probably encounter things called RIS files. It's essentially the same thing. They're just files that EndNote is able to read. Right. Another way to get citations out of PubMed is if you only want a single citation, you can just go to its metadata page and you can click this handy Cite button under Actions in the upper right-hand corner. And from there, you can click the option to download NBIB file. And that'll do the exact same thing, where it just downloads that NBIB file straight into your Downloads folder. All right, so now that you've downloaded your NBIB file, there are a couple of different ways you can actually get that into EndNote 20. The easiest way is just to have your EndNote library open in the background and minimized. And from there, you can navigate to your Downloads folder and click to open up that NBIB file. And what it should do is it should automatically import those citations right into EndNote 20. So they should show up both in your Imported References folder, which shows you your most recent import. They'll also show up in Recently Added, and then they'll also show up in All References as well. Now, if for whatever reason opening the NBIB file doesn't work, there's also another way to get that into EndNote manually. So to do that, you would just open up your EndNote library, and from there you can click File, and then hover your mouse over Import, and then click File. From there, you can click Choose, and then navigate to that NBIB file you just downloaded, which it should be in your Downloads folder. So here it is right here. And once you've clicked to highlight it, you just click Open. And then Import option is asking you how EndNote should read the file you just imported. If you click the drop-down, you'll have a variety of different options. For PubMed, they actually have a special one called PubMed NLM for those NBIB files. Most other databases will use this Roughman RIS format. So when in doubt for other databases other than PubMed, you can always try selecting Roughman RIS and it'll probably be able to read that citation file. If you don't see the import option you're looking for, you can always click Other Filters and it'll open up even more filters that are tailored to different databases. All right, so from here we're going to click the option for PubMed NLM, and then we're going to click Import. And that'll do the same exact thing. So as you can see, the 2 citations are in our most recently imported references. It's also in Recently Added, and then All References as well. Thanks for watching. For additional information or support, visit the eBling Library website at https://ebling.library.wisc.edu and click the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the page for assistance.